Alright, in this video, we're going to show you how to organize and manage your several Agentic CLIs so you can be more productive and focus on your app instead of managing all your terminals. So this is kind of the old way, right? You would just spin up a new terminal session and you'll start your agent, right? So you have your CLIs here. So maybe you'll say, okay, this guy, you're going to work on the front end. This one, you're going to work on the database. This one, you're going to work on Stripe integration and payments from the customer. Codex, you're going to find some bugs. Antigravity, you're going to work on some SEO and search engine optimization. And maybe some might spin up another one. So might say, hey, you're going to work on YouTube titles or YouTube promotions or something. Grok, you're going to work on something else. DeepSeek, I want you to do some security testing, and so on. And then as you're in the middle of the project, I don't know, things just get kind of messy pretty quick. Let's just say you have it all neatly here. However, and then you close your laptop. And the issue is they always get rearranged. Or if you have a memory problem with your computer, it reboots or it logs you out, and then it closes all these terminals. And then you have to reopen them all one by one again. And that is the issue. So that's why we created this CLI manager. So what it does, it detects all your CLIs that you have installed. And if you don't have them installed, you could just click on install over here. And once you have this installed, you pretty much just run your app. So let's just create a quick app. So let's just call it startup, right? And basically we're going to get into agentic engineering. So using the same workflow, right? We want visibility in all our agents, right? We want to control things. So we have a few different modes here. Go ahead and stick with agentic engineering mode. These are in beta and pretty buggy. So you probably don't want to try those yet. So if you're looking to just organize your CLIs, just go ahead and stick with agentic engineering mode. Here, it's detected all my displays, so I could have all my agents basically all around me. For this video, we're just going to stick with one display. And as mentioned, we can launch our agents. Let's go ahead and let's go full screen mode for you. And let's turn on our highlighter for you so you can see what I'm doing here. That's going to be here. Okay, this app works pretty good with shortcuts. So let's just do Control A for a new agent. Let's say you want to spin up a Grok agent. Great, you could run one, right? Or you could run several. So let's just spin up a batch. Let's run 5 more. And you can also auto-name them based on kind of like the kind of projects you got going on. So let's go ahead and just launch 5 Grok agents. There we go. Here, they were auto-named just kind of template. But you could go in there and change them to whatever you want. You could say database expert. If you're not a fan of this layout, no worries, just minimize it. And you could even compact it even more. Go between your CLIs with simple shortcuts. Nothing like tmux or others that, super complicated. If you want to go full screen, you just Control F. There you go. You can get to work, right? Again, and let's just say you don't need this money. Let's say this one's working and you just want more space. You could just sleep them, right? Control S and that will stash them. He's just right here. So if you need to pull them back in, and you could do that, let's just put them back away for now. Let's sleep a few more of these. Let's spin up a few other agents. Let's run some Claude. Let's run 10 Claude agents. Here you can set all your modes. Z is what I prefer, running Opus 4.8 right now. Yes, we're going to skip permissions for now. So there we go. We can get to work here. So if you need IDE, just Control I. Tell them the world. You're just going to make a quick little React app for us. You could do Control B for a browser. There we go. We got we have a simple hello world. This really isn't a product demo. It's kind of just showing you around the interface. You could do Control F for full screen. Let's check out our resources. Usually we'll run something like a terminal, and we'll run like htop, right? Kind of the old way, we'll run htop. We don't really got to do that right now because we have this here built in and kind of keep an eye on things for us. So X close that out. That's pretty much it. A better way to kind of organize your CLIs. Let's say you have this in one monitor. You could have this in one monitor and your app in the other. Or as you saw, if you only have one screen, you could just split it. Again, if you want more visibility, you just go into any as usual. Let's just see. How many agents we can run on this system? So let's just go ahead and run. We could also do OpenCode, of course, whatever models that supports. So Nematron, DeepSeek. But for this one, let's just go ahead and launch. We already have what? How many open? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's just spin up a few more. Let's just run another 100. Let's just see what happens. Let's see if our system can work with this. So it's going to batch create 100 new Grok agents on top of what we have. It's going to batch name them, just one display. And let's just see what happens. Let's look at our system. We do have 128 gigs of RAM. So we are in a workstation, not on a laptop here. Granted, this isn't like a mega PC by any means. We just got Ryzen 9 16 core again. Like with the Threadripper, this is going to do a lot better. Okay, it looks like we launched them all, and we didn't really even notice it, actually. Wow. So you have all your agents here. Again, you go in and out full screen. So you don't need them fully visible all the time. I mean, if you do, you just want to get more monitors. We have this mode here. Again, it's in beta. It's pretty neat. But again, if you want to spread out your CLI as you could just open up a new window and you'll have more visibility. So here we go. We got 100 Grok agents, pretty neatly organized. So you can just do what you gotta do and focus on your product as this app focuses on your CLIs. Again, let's minimize that for more. All right, that's pretty much how to organize your Agentic CLIs briefly. If you want to see more tutorials, go ahead and subscribe. If you're interested in trying this app out, we do have a free version, so go ahead and check that out on our website. Links in the bio below or the description, and hope you have a great day.